So hello mga kabeshi, so for today's video, mag-unbox tayo mga kabeshi ng shinaping natin the other day sa Porta Santo Stefano, Tuscany, Italy. So mga kabeshi, buksan na natin itong ating shopping bag. First impression mga kabeshi, it looks simple and elegant and I really love the color of the leather. Very aesthetic, and then it has one compartment. Ayan, it's very spacious, so you can put your wallet, credit card, then with magnet siya. Ayan, so talagang napakaganda. Also with logo ng Made in Italy. Mga kabeshi, makikita mo talaga yung magandang stitches niya, ang pulido, ang strap niya. Napaka-perfect talaga, like ng relationship mo. Charis! I paid 50 euros, so in Philippine peso is 3,149. Fit check, napaka-nice.